Attention schools from all around the world, the Game Showsters is ready to energize your students with a live stream assembly.
Oh, live stream assembly?
Why yes, a live stream assembly. This means we perform educational comedy programs that are broadcast live from our TV studio directly to your students' classrooms. Hi everybody! A live stream assembly is not a recording, and no, it's not a boring Zoom call. The Game Showsters experience is much more exciting and always interactive. Okay, students, as you might have noticed, these options right here, they're not marked with numbers, but with hand signals 1, 2, and 3. Which do you think is the best option? Okay. I see a lot of 3s from Mr. Mark's class, and that is very encouraging because supporting those who need help is definitely the right thing to do. Very good.
The Game Showsters have 3 fantastic school assembly programs dealing with anti-bullying,
Right here.
reading motivation,
Time, everybody.
and standardized test-taking strategies. All of them very engaging and a whole lot of fun.
Everybody go, P-U! P-U! That's one stinky birthday party.
The Game Showsters TV studio does a great job of illustrating educational points, and all your school's classrooms can tune into a single broadcast. No matter where your school is located, the Game Showsters will give your students an A+ experience guaranteed.
You got it! You got it! That's right! You win the big prize! You did it!
Discover more on how the Game Showsters can energize your young audience. Contact us directly at 1-800-404-9656 or log on to our website at gameshowsters.com.